Hello, my name is Brendan Irwin, and thanks for taking interest in this video. I just was going to show off my content management system that I've written. Um, Although my page really isn't eye candy yet, I've been working really hard on the back end of things so that I can just have my own content management system. And it's always a great way of learning things and working with data. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you how that works. So to access the admin screen, I've already logged in, so it's kept my session active. I just go to the admin section, and this is in the back end of my site. It's not super technical looking. I basically have a list of my menus, a list of my content managed pages, um, the layouts that I've created, access to the modules, files, and then there's just logs down below. So I think the best way to show off how my site works is just to create a new page. So I'm just going to go to create page. And I'm just going to make this a demo page. And I'm using mod rewrite so that I don't have to make pages like demo page.php. I'm just going to make it so it's all proper and looks better to the end user. So I'll make the URL index for that just demo. The brief keywords and description, it's just for SEO ranking, Google ranking. So I'll just fill this in with nonsense. So here I have the ability to add custom content to modules. I have a page content module, a custom CSS module, and a custom JavaScript module. For the simplicity's sake of this demo, I'm just going to make a basic content, and I'll show how that's added to a layout later. So basic page content for our demo. And I won't bother creating custom CSS or custom JS. I'm just going to save the page. So my page is now created. It shows up right here. And if I view it, I'll just open this in a new tab. You can see that there's actually nothing on my page. And the reason for that is I have not yet given my page a layout. So let's just create that page layout. So if I go to change page layout, it says my page currently doesn't have a layout. So I'm just going to select a layout, one that I've pre-written. So I'm just going to make the default layout. So in my default layout, since I have the text module we wrote, which was the demo page text, I'm just going to add that to my current layout and save it. So my layout's saved. And we'll go back to actually viewing this page we're working on. So the page we're working on now has the basic content that I've put in there. But it's not really a great demo, so I'm going to show you how I can also have more than just one item on my page. I've tried to make my CMS really easy to use so that, since I'm going to be using it, or maybe a friend or something, they'll know how to do it too. It looks like it's a little off the screen, but I'm actually going to change my layout to a 2-column layout just to show how this works. So I'll save that. And now I have 2 columns. And I'm just going to add some content just so we can show off what's going on here. So this is just a code module, so I can display code in that module. Maybe I'll add some other text to this. I'll just add I can re-add it so I have duplicates of this module. And maybe I'll just add some random test text, because that never hurts. So I'm going to save my layout. Layout saved. And I'm going to just go view it. So as you can see, that my page now has its content blocks, and it's all very easy to fit in there. So that's just a way I can work with my layout manager and put in new content. Now, having a page is great if you know the URL. I've also made a menu module. So if I'm going to go back to my admin backend, I'm just going to add that page to my menu. So I go to edit. Here's like current menu, but it now has extra options in here where I can add in items. So I'm just going to add it to my other page. I'm going to add item, and it's the demo page, and we'll just call it demo page, and we're going to save. Now, what's going to happen here is we have our new demo link. So if I go to demo page, it opens up the page we just created. that's really the meat and potatoes of my current CMS. I'm still working on a lot of different little things that I think will make it better. Right now I'm working on uploading files using a nifty little toy called Uploadify. It works very well, and it's all Ajax based, so I'll just show how that works. Uploads files, so that's all good. And if I reset, my files are going to be all in here listed, so I can use that with the website. So that's just kind of what I wanted to demo, and hopefully I'll be able to work on this more because it's fun working on your own custom projects, and I'm hoping this will give you an idea of what I can do. Thanks.